Hey guys, Jason here, checking out gold again, and pretty much exactly what we thought was going to happen has happened in the sense that it's been a slow, dawdly day inside this range of the daily EQ. We did pull back from 1427.06, so our tentative high is now solidified as an actual level for this EQ. We'll be paying attention to 1427.06 in the future. So here's a little bit of a drop, mini bounce, pullback, and this is going to confirm that we are indeed in a downtrend. I do want to point out, though, that we do have almost a very close to a double bottom here. This low, this candlestick of 1456 cents, and this guy 1463 cents. So I'm still going to call this an important level for us to be watching. And I'm going to change the color on this guy because I just think it's going to, well, it needs to stand out as something separate from our EQ, but it's still going to be an important support level for us. So I'll be watching that very, very closely. So here we are pulling back. We need to get a low under 1456 cents for a better downside move to establish a potential higher low on the daily time frame. Maybe something around 1392 would be ideal, and we'll see what happens when we get there. Of course, we need to break 1400 to get to that level, so we'll see if the bulls have any support established at 1400, and if they do and they are able to push back with some significance here, we will be looking at a break of the high of this candlestick as a resistance, not part of our EQ, but still an important resistance here at 1419.62. And then ultimately a break of one of our key levels here, the first one being 1427.06. So let's jump to the hourly time frame, see what that's going to look like. Here's this chop and indecision that we talked about before, and I think we had just set that 1407 low, and we were looking for a higher high for a potential trend change, or a lower high as opposed to 1417 for continuation. But you know, it's just gone back and forth. We got our higher high, 1418, wasn't significant, pulled back, 1410, higher low, lower high, and finally when we lost that 1410.99, that's when things really started to fall apart. And here we can see that 1400 support coming into play as a double bottom right there. So I'm going to be paying very close attention to what we do when we get back down there. Perhaps we get a triple bottom. We don't know. All we know for sure is we have some support around 1400. And for the bulls to take control, they really need to hold that level, pull things around, and start the march back up. Lose 1400, no hourly support until we're down at 1389. So maybe our support or our potential higher low on the daily is going to be above that level. Let's go ahead and mark that in as well, just for fun, and we will talk about it tomorrow and see if that's actually where we get a potential higher low on the daily time frame. And that's pretty much all she wrote for gold today. I hope you guys are enjoying this, and feel free to send me an email, or if you just want to talk about charts, I love this stuff. I keep saying that in the videos, but it's absolutely true. I do this all day, every day. I love it. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it.